Welcome back. A determined group of residents at Meadow Ridge in Redding are fighting for a more sustainable future. Their push for change sparked a transformative solar installation that's cutting carbon emissions and long-term energy costs. I spoke with the people making it happen.
Mihi cura futuri.
Susan Auslander learned that motto decades ago while attending Hunter College. The Latin phrase translates to "the care of the future is mine." At 91 years old, she's still living by those words.
Because it would be boring to just sit in my rocker and rock, you know.
When Susan moved to the Meadow Ridge community 8 years ago, she immediately jumped into supporting causes that would have a lasting impact.
I came to the building committee, and one of the first things I noticed was the electric bill was $1.2 million. I said, there must be something we can do about this.
Recruiting other residents to form the Solar Committee, including Doug Dawson, whose engineering background assisted in the project's proposal.
I got involved in this project is because of my history of being interested in keeping the environment clean.
In January of 2022, an agreement was signed. And by December of 2024, a solar photovoltaic system was up and running. It consists of 3 solar arrays, 2 on top of associate parking carports, and another on the roof of the community's health center.
I'm very pleased that it came to fruition, and I applaud the ownership here at Meadow Ridge for their generosity in doing this.
The project was made possible through a loan from the Connecticut Green Bank, zero-emission renewable energy credits through Eversource, and investment tax credit.
One of the benefits to us of the solar project here was we're saving somewhere between, I'd say, 15 and 20%, a huge savings on our electric bill.
The system will offset more than 600 metric tons of carbon from the atmosphere each year, and the estimated lifetime savings of the project is more than $7 million. But more importantly, Susan and Doug say the motives behind this project will benefit generations to come.
For my grandchildren and great-grandchildren.
We need to clean up the air for our future.
All right, the Solar Committee at Meadow Ridge did receive recognition for their work on the project, the esteemed President's Award from the Connecticut Green Bank. And to learn more about the community, you can visit meadowridge.com.